Good morning, students. In the last class, we have done with the revision for the unit test. So now we are going to continue with the chapter that is stargazing. See here goes for stargazing, right? So this is the one mean, that is in understand and answer we have left. So this mean you need to write in your textbook itself. Okay, so first question. Sariska is a small wildlife sanctuary near Alwar in Rajasthan. The dimly lit lodge was located just outside the sanctuary. Seher and her father wanted to closely watch in the Milky Way a telescope and little or no artificial city light. The first person to write about comets was Edmund Halley. Sixth one, scientists accept Halley's comets return in the year of 2016. So this 6th question you need to write in your course book itself, that is textbook, in the pencil. So in the pencil you need to complete it. Okay. And the next main we are going to move towards grammar part. So that is phrasal verbs. So read the sentences. So first we need to read out these two sentences which they have given in the bullets. Seher and her father set out to look at the great bear. So Seher and her father set out to look at the great bear. So what is the meaning of set out? Let me read the second sentence. Seher set up the telescope. Seher set up the telescope. You can see the words highlighted as set out and here set up. So the first sentence, set out. So set out means to start a journey for a special purpose. So what is the meaning of set out? To start a journey for a special purpose. Next, set up. What is the meaning of set up? To arrange equipment. So what is the meaning of set up? To arrange equipment. Okay. So these are the highlighted words and we also have seen the meanings for that. So highlighted group of words is a phrasal verbs. So each highlighted group of words is called phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs can be formed by adding a prepositions or an adverb to a verb. The meaning of a phrasal verb is different from the meanings of the different words that it is made of. Okay, so next students, now you have learned what is set out and what is set up. So let us read the next mean. Read the sentences, match the highlighted phrasal verbs to their meanings that follow by numbering them as per the sentence. Adya set aside some money for his trip to Manali. Rohini sat on the burglar with the wooden pole. The monsoons have set in quite early this year. We quickly packed our bags and set off for the railway station. So here they have given the meanings. You can see at the down. To begin a journey, to attack, to begin and likely to continue, put away for the future use. So you can see the words are highlighted here. Set aside, set on, set in, set off. And also they have given the meanings. You need to find out the what is set aside. So for the first one I'll be saying. So what is set aside here? Set aside means, so the meaning of set aside is save or keep something. So save or keep something that is put away for future use. So put away for the future use. So set aside is put away for the future use. So next three words you need to find out the meanings for this from your dictionary. Okay. So the next students is sound of th. Okay. The letters TH have two sounds. So the letters TH, you can see here. So the letters 2H have how many sounds? Two sounds. So that is, how do we pronounce? The, this, them. Here, how do we tell? Thank, thin, think. The, this, them. Thank, thin, think. So here they have given 10 words here. So you need to find out which is one sound. One sound means which is one and which is second. So one is like this. The sounds as in the, this and them. And this is one. And the TH sounds as in thank, think and thin. So this is 1 and this is 2. So listen to see these words aloud. Write 1 next to the words that have ATH sound as in the. Write 2 next to the words that have ATH sound as in thank. Okay. So for how do we the thank we pronounce? For that we need to write 2 and the is 1. Okay. So this you need to do in your pencils. So first I'll pronounce all the words. Listen to that, students. Earth, earth. Father, father. Path, path. Thumb, thumb. Dan, dan. Day, day. Three, three. Through, through. Together, together. Without, without, without. Got it? So first one I'll mark, which is it's a 1 or it's a 2, I'll be marking. Earth, earth, earth. It's a 1 or 2. Which is that, students? So earth comes under 2. That is we pronounce as thank, thin, think. Earth, thank. Okay, so like that you need to find out for this other questions. So the next one is circle the correct spelling for these words from the story. So from the story you need to find out the correct spellings. So for the sanctuary, what is the correct spelling? You need to find out. So the correct spelling for sanctuary is Sanctuary. Understood? That is the correct spelling. Next, telescope. Which is the correct telescope? You need to circle. Constellation, which I have given in the keywords also. You can go through that. Next, it's magazine. Artificial. Reappear. Astronomer. Infinite. So for the 8 words, you need to find out the correct spellings to that by seeing your lesson. So this will be your homework for today. Thank you, students.